In this video we're going to show you how to remove the heater control panel from an Audi A3 8P. This is the type, the setup used from 2004 to 2008. For this job you just need a flat trim removal tool. First step is to remove the trim around the hazard switch. Using your flat trim removal tool, pop it out from the side and work your way around. To remove the heater panel itself, again using your flat trim tool, pop it out from the top. Once it's popped out the top, use your hands to just wiggle it towards you, and as it comes out, pull up, and then you'll need to access the plugs on the back. There's 4 plugs on the back. Push the little tab in and pull that away. And some of the smaller plugs you might just need a flat screwdriver just to help you push the tab in. Once the tab's pushed in, it'll wiggle out. And that's the heater panel removed.